everyone. So this is the Mackie slider. It says here Mackie CP3 Buck Lautie. Okay, the material says zirconium and stainless steel. I think it's a mixture. The date says 2022 November and it's numbered 123 up to 99, meaning that there were only 299 pieces made. So this is how it looks like. The box is cool. Okay, you gotta open all three sides. I nearly ripped it open. So just to get into the neck and necks of the box, right? This is just your cushion, and then I think there's some, I don't know what's this, instruction booklet or some stickers. Over here it says Mackie times Lautie. It's a collaboration between these two companies. It says 2017 to 2022. Over here you already know what it says. Let me see how this looks. Right. Also, they gave me a replacement piece. I don't know what's this for. It's probably a sticker to protect the magnets. I've seen people in other videos remove this sticker to make the magnets slide more easily. But for me, it works just nice. I think without the sticker, the magnet sound is going to be much louder. So the reason why I like this is that I'm a lefty, so this works pretty well for me. And I have small hands and this works just nice. So I don't have anything to compare with because this is really my first fidget slider. A good purchase. I highly recommend, and I'll be posting the links in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.